So before this video gets started, if you want to sign up for a brand new company that just got $1.5 million in funding, they're giving more funds to drivers, more protections to drivers, benefits to drivers. If you ever get in a car crash, if you ever get hospitalized, if you ever get sick, you will keep your income as an Uber and Lyft driver for any gig apps. They're sending same day transfers, money transfers. If you ever get deactivated, they'll help you get your account back. They are awesome. The company is called Cover, and all these benefits and protections start at $7 a month. However, if you use my link, because they're a brand new company, there's a special offer. You'll get 30 days for free. You'll get full access to all this stuff, so you can try it out, no risk, no commitments. No annual contracts, none of that. You'll get your first 30 days for free if you use my link in the description down below to sign up for Cover to get you covered. Okay, now let's get on to the video. What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and welcome back to another Rideshare Fitness. No, I'm just kidding. I just did get back from a run and I got about an hour of sunlight left, so I wanted to make this video super quick. But today we're talking about a super awesome brand new app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers up to $100 per week. That could literally be $500 per month, depending on which month it is, right? I don't know, I always get confused. Are there 4 weeks in a month or 5? Who's making these decisions here? But yeah, this is super awesome. So if over here at the Rideshare Hub, we like to basically just translate, I don't know, tell you guys when new opportunities arise. This is something that I'm personally doing right now. So I already signed up. If you do want to sign up, I'll leave a link down below. The company's called Yada. I'll tell you about what it is in a second, but yeah, there's so many different ways. I honestly need to make an updated video. Let me know if I should make a video called like 50 different apps that pay Uber and Lyft drivers, because there's so many now. I gotta sit down at my laptop and make like a huge list of videos. But if you appreciate us giving you guys up-to-date, you know, news on the best ways to make money for Uber and Lyft drivers, hit the thumbs up button. Please hit the thumbs up button. It's super simple, free for you, but it helps us out so much. And by the way, there are a lot of companies that start up and pay Uber and Lyft drivers and then they fail. There's been a lot of companies that end up failing. It doesn't work. Or companies that are like geared towards Uber and Lyft drivers that end up failing. So it's almost like once these pop up, you gotta jump on it before they fail. The one I'm talking about today is definitely not gonna do that. They're much bigger. They're already valued at like millions and I think they're valued at like, what, $10 million right now or something crazy. But an example of a company that started up and failed was Gig Mobile. Do you guys remember Gig Mobile? They actually sponsored a few of our videos in the past, and they signed up and their whole thing was they're gonna give every driver an iPhone, and they can pay for it weekly. It was like $12.50 a week. You get an iPhone, unlimited data. It was like unlimited talk and text, whatever, normal, unlimited data. Not talk and text, but like browsing. And they ended up failing because so many drivers signed up and never paid. They never paid their $12.50 a week. So the company was like, shoot, we just gave out 3,000 iPhones and no one's making their payments. So they actually went bankrupt. Kind of funny. You guys are tricksters out there. You're like, I'm just gonna keep the phone. Some of you guys were by the way, it was like a company phone, so it had like restrictions on it. It was like a lock, like kind of locked. And you guys actually figured out how to unlock the phone. And I was like, hey, can't blame them. There's always a loophole. There's always a... But anyways, I'm going to jump into this video now. I'm going to sync up my phone here and show you exactly what it is. This is Yada Savings. So I'm going to break it down for you. It's a brand new... It's basically a savings account bank. It's an online bank. It's an app. By the way, use my link down below. You'll get 100 bonus tickets if you use my link. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid by Yada, you know, for this video or anything. But if you do use my link and code Dylan57 in my link, you and I will both, I think I will get like 150 tickets and then you'll get 100 tickets. Hey, they like to promote it. But here we go, guys. So I have $10,000 in my account. No, that's not fake. That's actually real. So this is my I can show you. This is my history. So I first deposited $10 into my account. So when you sign up with my link, you need to deposit like 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever it is. I think it might be 25 in order for us to get the bonus, but at least I think it's like 25 bucks, but I forget. Did I get my bonus tickets, by the way? So anyways, that was my first week, and with $10 in my account, I got 25 cents in my account. No big deal, right? The other day I put in $1,000. Today I put in $9,000. Why did I put in all this money into this account? Let me show you really quick. So if you go down here, oh, they're about to pick a new number in 2 minutes. So actually during this video, we'll see if I got any more money. I might actually get money live on camera. That would actually be super cool. This wasn't planned, by the way. I wasn't like, oh, let me film this right when they pick the number. But every single night they pick a number at 9 p.m. Truck, FedEx truck, can you, I'm trying to film a video here, bro. Thank you, okay. So how much can I win? This is how it goes. This is every single week, guys. You can win up to $10 million. I didn't want to put that in the title because they're not paying out people. They're not paying people out $10 million every week. It's very, very, very unlikely to get that number. I was trying to do all the different styles of math to be like, is there any way I can get it? What if I have 20,000 tickets? It's literally still almost impossible, even if you have 20,000 tickets, and I barely have 1,000 tickets. So, but last week I matched 3 balls and I got 25 cents. So basically what happens, so if you use my link, you get 100 chances, 100 tickets to match these, and there's 7 numbers. They pick 7 numbers, 6 normal numbers, and then 1 yada number, and they have all these little different calculations, and you can get up to $1,000, the $1,000, $1,500, and $5,000. Those are like more reasonable to hit, and these bottom ones are obviously, these ones are more popular. You only need to match 1 ball, the yada ball, to get the 10 cents. So last week I got 3, but if you go over back here, you'll actually see that these ones, $100. This is like the most common ones. A lot of people are winning 100 bucks. That's why I'm going to say up to 100 bucks per week in the video. Okay, so now we're at the point where I believe, are they going to, so yeah, anyways, I want to just tell you guys that this is the most common winning one. These are all people who won, I think that was like the $5,000 one, and or the $1,500 one, and they split it. 41 bucks, very common too. $300. This is every single week they do these drawings. So, but yeah, is it time? Is it time? 14 seconds. Okay, they're gonna pick. Let's see. So I could potentially be getting 25 cents on camera if I get 3. So I already have 2 matches so far. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Is it gonna? Oh wait, how do I? Where do you? Oh, here we go. Today's winning number is 53. 53. 53. 53. Did I match any? I don't know. I'm like so new to this. Did I match any? My stats. I gotta go to my stats. I needed to get some that match 3 tickets. Did I get that? How do I go? Oh, my stats. My stats. I didn't get any. I didn't get any tickets that matched 3. No. Oh, that means I'm not gonna win the $10 million for the Tesla. Bro, are you serious? How does that work? I'm sorry guys, I'm so new at this, but this is crazy. Seriously, use my link down below because you get 100 tickets. I have like 1,000 right now, so I'm trying to like really win. But holy shnikes. So I didn't match 3 with any today? Gosh darn. Okay, well, I still have more chances later. So basically, what I was trying to tell you guys, the reason why I can't win the Tesla or the $10 million is because, so I need to match all 6 of the yellow ones in order to get either a Tesla, and then I need to match all 6 plus the auto to get the 10 million. So I for sure am not getting all 6. So the most I can win now is the $5,000 one. Does that make sense to you guys? Because I didn't get one. So yeah, the most I'll win this week is 5 grand. I guess I'm not driving away with a Tesla next week, or $10 million. By the way, this whatever. The $10 million is actually $5.8 million that they pay over a course of 40 years in an annuity. So you're more likely getting 10,000 bucks a month, I think. But still pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's it. So yeah, use my link down below, and I'm super pumped about it. Oh yeah, by the way, the money you put into your account, it is safe. I'll just show you guys. Where's the FAQ? It is safe. It is insured by the FDIC, so any money you put in there is not, like, they don't have the money. Security is our priority. Your funds are FDIC insured, fully backed by the US government, up to 250,000 bucks. So even if you put in $250,000 in there, you know, you're fine. No matter what happens, the cash in your account is guaranteed safe. So yeah, it's held in Evolve Bank and Trust, an FDIC insured bank that has been in business for over 90 years. So that's cool. And oh yeah, the numbers are completely randomized, so they don't even pick the numbers. They have another company that picks the numbers for them. So I mean, I think it's really awesome. Graham Stephan also invested in the company. So Graham Stephan interviewed me about a year and a half ago now. I was actually, this is my episode, the top one right there, 17,000 income, 40,000 debt. So I was making 17 grand a month. This was while I was in college at UC Berkeley. Making some good money, bro. Not so much anymore, but whatever. That's another topic for another day. But I was in 40 grand in debt. He interviewed me, but Graham Stephan, he has over 2 million followers. He basically did, look at this $10 million. I just bought a bank. This video here, he talked about Yada, so it's legit. Everybody's talking about it lately, but I just wanted to tell you guys to hop on it and get 100 bonus tickets when you use my link and code. All right, talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, let me know if you win.